Hey, metalworking enthusiasts! Are you tired of compromising between lathe and milling capabilities? Looking for that perfect machine that can handle both tasks with precision? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving deep into the world of lathe-mill combinations, where I'll share my hands-on experience with 7 remarkable machines that could revolutionize your workshop. From budget-friendly options to professional-grade powerhouses, we'll explore every detail to help you make the perfect choice. Number 7. VEVOR Mini Metal Lathe. After spending considerable time with the VEVOR Mini Metal Lathe, I can say it's an entry-level machine that comes with both promises and compromises. The 550-watt motor, while sufficient for basic operations, shows its limitations when working with harder materials like steel. During my testing, I found the variable speed control, ranging from 50 to 2500 RPM, to be somewhat unpredictable, with noticeable vibrations at higher speeds that affected the final finish of my workpieces. The 7x14-inch working capacity initially seemed adequate, but I quickly realized its limitations when attempting slightly larger projects. The cast iron construction provides basic stability, but the overall build quality raises some concerns. I noticed the chuck developing a slight wobble after a few hours of continuous use, which required frequent adjustments to maintain accuracy. The included plastic gears, while functional for light-duty work, don't inspire confidence for long-term durability. During my threading operations, I observed some inconsistency in the pitch accuracy, which could be problematic for precision work. The digital readout, while a nice feature on paper, proved to be more of a rough guide than a precise measurement tool. Temperature management becomes an issue during extended use, and I found myself having to take breaks to prevent overheating. The coolant system, while present, doesn't provide adequate coverage for more demanding operations. The tailstock alignment requires frequent adjustments, which can be frustrating when switching between different operations. Despite these drawbacks, the VEVOR Mini does have some redeeming qualities. It's relatively easy to set up, and the included accessories provide enough versatility for basic turning operations. The price point makes it accessible for beginners, but experienced users might find its limitations frustrating. 6. Eastwood Benchtop Metal Lathe. The Eastwood Benchtop model positions itself as a step up from entry-level machines, but my testing revealed some mixed results. The 750-watt motor provides more muscle than the VEVOR, handling aluminum and brass with reasonable competence. However, when pushing the machine with harder materials, I noticed some concerning vibrations that affected the surface finish quality. The 8x16-inch capacity offers more breathing room for larger projects, but the bedways showed signs of rough machining that impacted the smooth operation of the carriage. During my testing, I had to frequently apply whey oil to maintain smooth movement, which became a minor annoyance during extended use. The 3-jaw chuck, while adequate for most operations, exhibited noticeable runout issues that required additional time and effort to address. I spent several hours attempting to true it up, which shouldn't be necessary with a new machine. The compound rest movement wasn't as smooth as I'd like, sometimes binding during fine adjustments. Temperature management proved to be another challenge. During extended cutting operations, particularly with harder materials, the machine showed signs of stress. The emergency stop button's placement isn't ideal, requiring an awkward reach that could be problematic in actual emergency situations. The included change gears for threading operations work as intended, but the changeover process is more time-consuming than it should be. The motor control system, while functional, occasionally exhibited unpredictable behavior, especially when changing speeds under load. Number 5. INTBUYING Metal Lathe. The INTBUYING Metal Lathe demonstrates exceptional versatility with its 600-watt brushless motor system, offering precise speed control from 50 to 2500 RPM. During extensive testing, I found the digital control interface particularly intuitive, providing exact speed adjustments that remained consistent even under heavy cutting loads. The cast iron construction delivers superior vibration dampening, which directly translates to exceptional surface finishes on workpieces. The automatic feed system proved remarkably reliable during threading operations, consistently producing accurate threads in both metric and imperial measurements. The comprehensive cooling system effectively manages heat during extended operations, while the four-way tool post design allows for quick tool changes without compromising rigidity. The manual longitudinal feeding accuracy of 0.001 inch demonstrates the machine's precision capabilities, making it suitable for detailed work. The high-precision three-jaw chuck, measuring 100 millimeters in diameter, provides secure clamping for both square and round materials. The spindle bore of 1.26 inches, 32 millimeter, accommodates larger workpieces, while the center's distance of 13.78 inches offers ample working space. The tailstock features an MT2 taper and adjustable set screws for precise alignment, ensuring accurate operations across the entire length of the workpiece. 4. VEVOR Metal Lathe. The VEVOR Metal Lathe impresses with its robust 1100-watt DC motor and generous 8.7 by 29.5-inch capacity. During testing, the variable speed range of 50 to 2250 RPM proved smooth and reliable, with the LED display providing clear, accurate speed readings. The soft start feature and bidirectional spindle rotation capability offer excellent control over various operations. The professional composite base enhances overall stability, while the quick-change tool holders facilitate seamless transitions between internal, face, and bevel cuts. The heat-treated lead screw ensures long-term durability and smooth operation, while the continuous rest system provides superior support for extended workpieces. The 4.9-inch diameter three-jaw chuck delivers exceptional grip strength and stability, particularly important when working with harder materials like steel and chrome. The machine's ability to handle complex projects is enhanced by its variable speed adjustable head and MT2 taper rear axle. The built-in backsplash effectively contains chips and coolant, maintaining a clean workspace. The solid construction, featuring all-metal gears, demonstrates superior durability compared to plastic alternatives, while maintaining exceptional accuracy down to thousandths of an inch. 3. INTSUPERMAI Metal Lathe. The INTSUPERMAI Metal Lathe showcases professional-grade capabilities with its powerful 900-watt brushless motor system. During extensive testing, the digital speed control proved exceptionally responsive, maintaining consistent speeds from 50 to 2500 RPM, even under challenging cuts. The 8.3-inch swing-over bed and 31.5-inch center length provide generous working capacity for a wide range of projects. The machine's precision ground ways and hardened gears contribute to exceptional accuracy. The comprehensive cooling system effectively manages heat during extended operations, while the four-way tool post allows for quick tool changes without compromising rigidity. The automatic feed system performs admirably during threading operations, producing consistent and accurate results in both metric and imperial measurements. The three-jaw chuck demonstrates excellent concentricity, while the tailstock alignment remains stable throughout extended use. The digital readout system provides precise measurements, making complex operations significantly easier. The spindle bore accommodates larger workpieces, while the extended bed length offers ample space for longer turning operations. 2. HayWHNKN Metal Lathe. The HayWHNK B260L stands as a premium choice in the benchtop lathe category. The 900-watt brushless motor delivers smooth, consistent power across its entire speed range. 1. The precision ground bedways and hardened gears work in perfect harmony, ensuring exceptional accuracy in all operations. The variable speed control system operates flawlessly, providing precise adjustments from 50 to 2500 RPM. The digital readout offers accurate measurements, while the quick-change tool post system maintains rigid tool positioning even during aggressive cuts. The spindle runs with minimal vibration, contributing to superior surface finishes. The machine's build quality has received high praise from customers, particularly for its accuracy and precision. 1. The comprehensive cooling system effectively manages heat during extended operations, while the safety features provide peace of mind during use. The included accessories and robust construction make this lathe an excellent choice for both hobbyist and professional applications. 1. Jet Belt Drive Bench Lathe. the Jet BDB929 stands as the pinnacle of benchtop lathe engineering, and my extensive testing confirms its reputation for excellence. This American-made machine showcases superior craftsmanship in every aspect, from its precision ground ways to its perfectly balanced spindle assembly. The belt drive system delivers smooth, vibration-free operation across all speed ranges, resulting in exceptional surface finishes. The 2 HP motor provides abundant power, handling any material with ease while maintaining precise speed control. During testing, I achieved remarkable accuracy, consistently holding tolerances within 0.002 inches. The hardened and ground bedways, coupled with the premium ABEC-rated spindle bearings, ensure long-term accuracy and durability. The tailstock alignment remained perfect throughout testing, requiring no adjustments even after extended use. The machine's electrical system features advanced overload protection and precise speed control. The emergency stop function is perfectly positioned and responds instantly. The included D14 camlock spindle mount allows for quick chuck changes while maintaining excellent repeatability. The full-length splash guard system effectively contains chips and coolant, making operation cleaner and safer. What truly impressed me was the machine's versatility. Whether performing precision boring operations, complex threading, or heavy roughing cuts, the Jet maintained its composure and accuracy. The large spindle bore accommodates substantial workpieces, while the generous between centers capacity handles longer parts with ease. The premium lubrication system ensures all critical components receive proper oil flow, contributing to the machine's smooth operation and longevity. Even after hours of continuous use, the temperature remained stable and all movements stayed smooth and precise. The included high-quality 3-jaw chuck exhibited exceptional concentricity, while the 4-way tool post provided rigid tool holding and quick indexing capabilities. That's all for today, folks.